If you are a homeowner or a commercial landlord thinking of installing solar panels in BC, this video breaks down exactly how the rebate program works, how much you could save, and the one mistake that could cost you thousands of dollars in lost rebates. You'll get the most current information directly from BC Hydro without the industry jargon, specifically for residential homeowners and commercial landlords. Watch to the end and you know exactly what to do. Let's start with the residential homeowners. You get to save up to $5,000 in solar rebates when you install your solar panels with a BC Hydro Qualified Home Performance Contractor Network, HPCN. And if you want to add a battery storage system, you can also get up to $5,000 on top of the previous rebate, totaling in up to $10,000 in savings for homeowners. And for commercial rebates, you get up to $10,000 just for installing the solar panels, and another $10,000 for battery storage, totaling up to $20,000 in savings for commercial landlords. Let's talk about eligibility requirements. For residential homeowners, there are 3 boxes to check. First, you must be connected to the BC Hydro grid. Second, the property must have an account with BC Hydro or the City of New Westminster. Third parties like FortisBC do not apply. Number 3, you must be the homeowner. Tenants can also apply, but the payment of the rebates will go directly to the landlord. Now let's go for commercial. There are 4 boxes to be checked. Number 1, your business property must be owned or leased by you. Number 2, you're the business account holder paying for general service rates, no matter if they are small, medium, or large. Number 3, and this is an easy one, the property must be connected to BC Hydro grid. Number 4, you must have a BC Hydro business account. How to apply? And this is the part that most people get confused at. First, gather your documents. And if you're not sure which documents you need, we will put BC Hydro's list of documentation right below in the description. The next step is to get a quote from a certified provider or HPCN member. Ask for 2 or 3 quotes so you can see which proposal fits you best. Ours, of course. The HPCN will design the installation plan tailored to your roof and needs. Don't skip this, as otherwise you will not qualify for the rebates. And if you feel overwhelmed at any point in this process, don't worry. The provider will also help you submit your application and set you up to receive payment within 45 days after installation. Now that you have the most up-to-date information and you're ready to start your process to get your solar panels installed, one quick note. Rebates are in constant change, and what is valid today might not be valid tomorrow. So we suggest you like this video and subscribe to this channel so you're always up to date with the newest updates on rebates and solar panels. Until the next one, this is Tom. Peace out.